Labeling memory cells with names greatly improves readability. In programming, the labels are called variables, one of many terms we borrowed from mathematics. Python checks variable names to ensure that they won't cause problems. For example, the variable name should not contain operators such as the plus sign, because then the computer would try to interpret the variable as an operation. Here are the basic rules. 1. A variable name is one or more alphanumeric characters and underscores. 2. A variable name cannot start with a number. 3. Variable names are case sensitive. 4. Python keywords such as if and for are already taken, so we cannot use them. Here are some examples of valid variables. And here are some invalid variables.